In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change playback speed on YouTube. So first of all, you need to select a video which one you want to up and down playback speed. So first of all, I choose this video. So I mute this sound for copyright issues. So you need to just click on this setting. Then you can see this is a playback speed. It's currently normal, so you can customs is up to 2x and 0.25x. So I just unmute this on
The current channel you're watching. But over the last few years, we built this whole media business that runs about 50 different channels. We have channels like a ton of different niches. So for example, business formation, website building, e-com, SaaS. We have a couple music channels.
You can control from here. So this is the method how you can change playback speed on YouTube.